In Markham and Richmond Hill, how much is a newly renovated freehold townhouse? Hi everyone, my name is Priscilla. I am a real estate broker in GTA. Today, I have a couple from Montreal who wants to invest in a freehold townhouse in the range of 1.1 million to 1.2 million in a good location with top-rated schools. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some great virtual tours. See you later. Okay, this is the front yard of the townhouse. There are some green areas in the middle. The townhouses are built next to each other. They share party walls with their neighbors. On the left of the entrance is the living room with a very high ceiling. It feels really luxurious with a height of 13 feet, even probably more. That huge space is very comfortable. This is the powder room on the first floor. There is no window in this powder room, but it's definitely one of the biggest and highest that I've ever seen. This is the dining room. The area is very big with its 6-person table. The open concept kitchen is next to the dining room. Countertops are upgraded with a lot of cabinets all around. It's definitely big enough for a large family. There is a dome design here. It's really well renovated, feels very comfortable. Let's go to the second floor, the bedroom area. The wooden staircase was not forgotten and nicely renovated too. Let's look at the first bedroom on the left. It's a bit small, about 70 to 80 square feet, with a single bed. There is a closet. The window is facing the front yard. This is the shared bathroom of the second floor. No wasted space, standard size, and a bathtub with a shower. The second floor is also 9 feet ceiling, like the first floor. The window is very big, so we have lots of natural light. This room is about 130 or 140 square feet. This room has a lovely balcony. We can put a chair and a small table here and a cup of coffee and read a book on this balcony. Next is the master bedroom. It's facing the backyard. It's quite big, around 200 square feet, with an ensuite bathroom. Regrettably, it was not renovated as we can recognize the old-fashioned jacuzzi-style bathtub. There is a walk-in closet here. There's a finished basement. Storage room on the left and washer dryer on the right. This basement is quite special because its ceiling's got 8 foot height. A lot of times basements only around 7 to 7.5 feet high. And we still have lots of natural light coming in the basement. There is a bedroom and a washroom in this basement as well. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.